Hello and welcome back to Sam's Diecast, your for unboxings, reviews, and collecting of diecast cars. Today we have a 2021 Hot Wheels to unbox today. This is the newest version of the Clip Rod. This is a money clip on wheels, so it's designed to hold your money and stuff like that. You can also hold chip bags together. Experimotors number 5 out of 10 for 2021. And it's also a track star. Well, best for track at least. 52 of 250 for the year. And this is on international card, so it doesn't really say anything. GTC 24 is a number. Don't know what case it's from. In 2020, they had this other color, which was like red, I think. And then this is a frost gold version, which I opened up on the previous channel. I mean, on this channel, actually. And then I opened up this red one, this burgundy one on this channel as well. I'll link both of those unboxings in the description. And once I open this up, I will take my entire life savings here and put it in there to test it, because it is a money clip on wheels. Let's get this out of the packaging. Experimotors have been pretty hot lately. And there is the brand new Clip Rod in green with the PR5s. Pretty cool. Really liking the green color on that. Now let's take a closer look at those details. Here are the 3 clip rods. One green, one burgundy, and one frost gold. And the clips are all different colors. But this part usually determines what color the actual vehicle is classified as. Here's a nice look at that brand new clip rod with the gold PR5 rims. And then we got the side there. There's the engine right there. $sign logo right there. It actually says Clip Rod and that green. Green one's probably my new favorite one. Because it's got the PR5s, I don't really care for the Ryusada 6-spoke wheels, which are on the previous ones. And this has quad exhaust, has the Hot Wheels printed on that clip. That's the clip that you put the money in. And let's take a look at that base. That base is all metal. Clip rod with a track star symbol, and 2019 with the copyright there. The wheels spun well on this one. Now let's put the money into the clip, as you have a nice thumbnail shot of this vehicle. You can fold your money more than once, and it should stay in there. You can put it in your pocket or whatever, but here's a nice look at it. Cool. Now let's give it a nice drift. Nice. By the way, all the green is also metal, so the green in the base is metal. The clip and the gold color are plastic. Thanks to everyone that tuned in and watched this video, and subscribe for more.